I go on over Sodom and Gomorrah. A long time I no come over here come put one lengthy little message over here, you know. I know say inner city people mostly up on TikTok. One of them turning at the guinea pig them for society. I notice from one day I be a politician me see over here send message. Andrew Holness them and PNP them figure out say over here so they have to come find, you know. So tell me something Jamaican people, original, ghetto youth. So now I go really sit down and continue to be guinea pig for the system and just drink rum and name blood clot KFC and come on internet come cussing one another. We don't know unite. We don't know figure out how we go live amongst one another when time the system turn up pound and the gun them start turn pound. Come on, man. How much time we got to talk? How much time we got to come from here and tell us we don't need to do better by ourselves as a people? Are we the fool? Are we an idiot? Are we chat too much? Are we not nothing to do? Yo, I tell you star more time. When we sit down and look on it, it give a hard feeling. It make you feel like, is it worth it? You know what I mean? For really call yourself Jamaican anymore. You see me? Yeah, man, we just want to big up all of the ones them we are trying them best to hold up them head as a Jamaican and know say, yeah, we is a country where do a whole heap in other world yeah, for people. You see what I say? Nobody not there for where now still. Everybody turn them back on Jamaican people and I make it look like nothing what our ancestors them they do never mean nothing, never value nothing. You see what I say? But we still there and we still have life and we still have to lend with voice to the voiceless. Same way, you see me, even the ones them we hate we still have to go and make two talk for them because I true them turn sheep, you know, and I eat the food of destruction and have the weapon of destruction in them and with them call phone. You see what I say? So everybody will come on it now just know say, yeah, if you want to get some sheep, just go on Jamaican TikTok with any kind of fuckery and you'll get followers and you'll get hype and you'll get all the fame what you need. We're more than that Jamaican people. We're more than that Jamaican TikTokers them. We're more than that. We didn't know say a little begging thing that gonna make a thing reach which part it reach because you what it's real original Jamaican no beg. We no borrow, we no lend. You see what I say? Yeah man, we independent, we work for our own struggle and make sure so we get it on the honest way. You see what I say? But we kinda notice that them teach them for just beg down in place and if you not get it, you cuss off who no give you and them thing there and we hear out, we garbage them pan yarn. Everybody come and then laugh and them are gimmicks and nobody now say it a downgrade and degrade the value of your country and your worth. You see what I say? But we just say we not go give up on the item even though the item are give up on themselves still, you see me? Because our back broad we can take crab, you see me, enough crab, them a crab over the years. You see what I say? Yeah man, I be working on negromancy and Saddamism and you name all of the disastrous and destructive things them where them a feed in that TikTok space here, you know what I mean? And make it look like say nothing of value now come out of the country again. You see what I say? We artists them turn them back and run off, gone over one next side over. So you see what I say? Actually because we didn't know for a long time, so we are not artists, we are revolutionists, we use music as a tool. That's why we never choose to come be no entertainer. You see what I say? Yeah man, we just make sure so we that come stand up in the truth where God did have upon earth. You have to represent for in a times like what? Times like these, you see me? Yeah man, me have an album I come, yeah, cause you don't know, nobody now gonna make we no love music no more, not because of all the things that we see are going in our music. Sometimes them say don't watch the messenger, watch the message. But trust me, we need to watch some of them messenger too because the messenger them don't reflect nothing what they are saying of them message. But disappointed in a reggae artist, me not tell no lie because enough of we as reggae artists, we really and truly turn the back on the people them what we use for bad for the artists. Yeah, we know so them say the people them underneath pressure and them turn them back and them ungrateful. But the things them where them get fed and the things where them get teach every day the system push a certain kind of narrative in the youths them headspace up and based on that the youth them are gonna feel like a way them a get regular that good for them. You see what I say? We have to just know say no matter what we not give up, we hold out same way and keep we head focus on the mission where God have we here as singers and players of instrument. We know say our duty is to make a cry every now now and again on behalf of the masses, because the infiltration of the system is very powerful and they will do everything and anything to keep the people attention. So we must know, say, if God choose we, the true and living God will give talent. You don't know. Lucifer was the son of the man, and because him go against the creator, why him end up in the earth and a behave, how him a behave and a influence, who him a influence. Yes, there is such a thing because God and Satan in a man. So which one of them you gravitate to, that are going to be the one we are going to win. So we need to start gravitate to the true and living God in a way, the breath of life, the reason why we breathe, the breath of life, you know what I mean? Yeah, because yeah, you can think of evil thought as well as you can think something positive. So his choice, his mindset is what you put out, what you choose to let out of your mind, and that are going to stand dominant. So we just say to Jamaican people, say, no, you're valuable, man. You're valuable. If you get a youth, valuable. If you get a girl, valuable. You're not just whore. You're not just slut. Me born every reggae artist will come push lesbianism and baptism amongst the ghetto youths. Them. So I say, me born every reggae artist will come do that. A lightning and thunder, plus them come do it, and the Selassie, them come do it, and the Locks, them come do it, and the culture, you see me, we'll never forgive them for that. You see what I say? And to all of the elders, them in the business, we sit on one side and allow it, and choose to be personal, and choose to turn a blind eye to the truth of the country and the truth of Wagwan. Just imagine if all of we have as artists come up and stand up in a one voice and say, Wagwan in a Jamaica, no fi Gwan. We youth are not supposed to get up every day just to drink alcohol. Me burn you for that, Kartel. Me nah beg no friend from you when it come to that. You could have never come from prison and come give alcohol Trinidad. Or you fi come and feed alcohol in our Jamaican culture, and a be a positivity we feed in the Trinidad culture. Because as far as we get overstand the rum them we Kartel a push a Trinidad them make. If I know so no make me know. And anyway at all it make. You see, how come a rum alone our ghetto youths them for having a them hand? How come a rum alone our ghetto youths them for a drink? And our ghetto girls them for just a suck good and a suck pussy and just a behave like so them nah no value. We nah no time you know if we feel no way when time we say the things that what we say, you know, because guess what? With the truth to what we are do from money, we never beg no friend with that truth where we talk. You see what I say? And the reason why we step forward and step off of the scene, we just know so we never come to be no dead hero boy and neither. We come to make sure say we are going there if we can give some talk and give some vibes and give some edification to the youths them we really are listening and we really are try, you know, do something about them thing where them say them culture and everything will mean something to them. I go down the drain. You see what I say? Me just bend to a level so I can't even explain, my Lord. For say a country was so powerful and so great and do so much for the world turn to this. You see what I say? While everybody sit on one side and laugh and gimmicks and make it look like, yeah man, Jamaica gone down. Or you can't kill the root of the tree, you know, yeah, you can't chop it down, yes, but the roots go very far into the ground. You hear that, and one day that root will spring again. Because no farmer fertilizer, no farmer falls chemicals what you use to kill the root, they nah go dead it. You see what I say? Some just want to say, yeah, leave this over TikTok, yeah, who have ears to ears, who have the patience to listen out that 10 minutes, yeah, listen it out, because no say, it nah go just go down some man, it nah go just go so. You see what I say? Our country they do more for every Caribbean island, our country do more. For Africa, our country do more. For America, for everywhere across the world, used to look up to Jamaica because we were the real freedom fighters who never take no talk from nobody and stand up strong and fight for our rights as a people. And because them know that them find ways, and Joelness them come with the vaccine and them come with all the way them come with all you Mr. Tufton, you think you get to what you're doing and putting our youth them and I know them turn guinea pig. A guinea pig gonna turn the country in a star and still a come back and look vote and still a look for people to come big up and run back out because you know say who no good for your country. Show me how you no good for your country. Miss Babsy Green, show me how you're good for the country. When all our women them are whore and lesbian and no self-worth, youth them are batty man, they no self-worth, a beer fuck we are going in the country. Tell me how you no good for the country. We not bad for no PNP neither, you know, for know that too, you know, because them sit down over there so we be a batty boy and lesbian over there too. And they not talk up the things they were them for really talk up, but them a come look for too. We just say the whole of them for pack up in a one barrel and roll away, man. You see what I say, and ease up off of the Jamaican culture and make the country can strive as a true nation. You see what I say? But the future is here and the future is bright. You see what I say? And everything will be alright. We know that for a fact because God is with us. Yeah. Real talk. We not beg friend around it.